Use polyurethane or epoxy paint over latex? I have a utility trailer with plywood sides added on. They were painted several years ago with a standard exterior paint. I didn't do it myself, but I am pretty sure it was a water-based latex paint. So, main question. Assuming I wash and then scuff sand surfaces with appropriate grit, am I okay to refresh surface with a polyurethane or epoxy paint like what someone might use on a boat above waterline or whatever? I am trying to get as long-lasting and durable of a surface on, and am open to other options. Question from user A040371 at Stack Exchange. Answer. If you accept that your adhesion is only as good as the adhesion of the paint you don't remove, since you'll be painting over paint. Yes, that will work. If you want full benefit of particularly an epoxy paint, you might want to get to bare wood first. But if the old paint is well stuck and the new paint protects it, could be fine and less work than going to bare wood. Answer from user Eknerwall at Stack Exchange.